Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping water and relieving pressure so you can work safely. This prevents surprises once you loosen anything. Next, you remove any downstream fixtures to access the compression fitting. Using 2 wrenches, hold the body and loosen the compression nut. Turn counterclockwise while supporting the fitting. Once the nut is off, slide the old ferrule and nut away and inspect tubing for damage. If tube end is deformed, cut back a small amount so the new ferrule seats fully and squarely. Once the tube is prepped, slide the new nut on first, then the ferrule so the tapered end faces the fitting. Orientation matters for sealing. Push the tube into the fitting body until it bottoms out so the ferrule can compress evenly. Hand tighten the nut to remove play, then use 2 wrenches, one on the fitting body, one on the nut to tighten. Tighten to manufacturer torque, or typically snug plus about 1/4 turn. This compresses the ferrule without cracking the tube. After installation, slowly turn water back on and observe the joint closely. Start at low pressure so you can catch a slow leak. If a small drip appears, stop and tighten the nut in very small increments. Do not apply huge force. If tightening fails, depressurize, disassemble, recut the tube square, and fit a new ferrule and nut. Leaks usually mean the ferrule didn't seat or tube was damaged. If threads are stripped or body cracked, replace the fitting entirely to ensure a reliable seal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.